Okay, this is reading day 7, where it says identify main topic and details of a nonfiction text. So on day 6, we read these pieces right here about animals and living things. And the goal for today is to help the students realize that the way nonfiction text is structured, it usually gives you the ideas and the summarizing parts of it by and using text features. And so when the kids start writing, when they do a nonfiction writing piece, they also will have to organize their writing. So we're showing them with real world and real text how those two link. So the graphic organizer you have at the bottom of the page is going to come from these stories. So the main idea or the main topic there is just this main heading that was the overall, the encompassing thing that all of these other slides were about. So the main topic was living things are everywhere. The next thing after that, you would do the main idea. And so when you're writing, and kids are writing, they could have 3 different paragraphs. Even a 4th one, that main topic could be an introduction paragraph if they had enough information to write about it. That's the part we struggle with in 2nd grade. And as a 42-year-old woman, I struggle with that still. Writing is a craft and a gift. And so we are doing our best to help those who have it in them, maybe help them bring it out. Or those who just don't like it, maybe it makes it a little easier by us giving them a skeleton to work with in a framework. So the main topic was living things are everywhere. And then under that, there were 3 main ideas. Living things on the coast, living things in a wetland, living things in a grassland. This was just extra for observations. So if they were able to, or you were able to guide them into these answers, that's it. Because what then we would do if we were able to introduce new learning in a classroom setting, we would then expand and we would probably come up with 2 or 3 ideas about the coast. We would go back through over here and we would look this up, try to find some facts that we could add up. And if we couldn't find them there, we'd go look. So if you did the interactive, you could see that some of those are, you can expand them and read about them. So this would be, we would elaborate this if we were in the classroom with new learning. Now, if you are brave enough to do that with your kiddo, more power to you. But let me tell you, 7 and 8-year-olds don't like to write. It's hard. So we do a lot of interactive writing where I write a sentence, they write a sentence, I write a sentence. Or I start a sentence and they finish it for me, or they start the sentence and I finish it. We are a team a lot in the classroom when it comes to writing time. So for today's reading, get this bare bones skeleton and graphic organizer knocked out, and you will have accomplished a lot. This will probably be one of the more frustrating things to do, just to be totally honest.